Hi guys, and welcome to my channel, Carnival of Creativity. So today's video is going to be a new year, new decor kind of video. I know New Year was like ages ago now, but it's still just January. Only just, but still just. Where are you off to? Anyway, I am doing a new decor sort of theme from the bedroom. Yeah, it's only the bedroom. Just because I wanted to switch things up a bit. I was getting a little bit bored of how it looked and I wanted to add some extra pieces and things like that as well. So I'm just gonna hop through with explaining what I did for those. So the first thing I really wanted to change was the woolen wall hanging that goes above our bed. So I really liked it for the winter, and I know it's still cold and wintry outside, but I kind of just wanted something a little bit different, and I haven't actually had the chance to use the tie-dye with the gold and silver gilding on it that I made as a wall art sort of thing ages ago. So I chose that as the thing I was going to replace it with, and attached it to the branch with some like bulldog clips and some string. I kind of want to keep that as an area that I can change the artwork out on quite regularly, and this by no way means is the only thing I want to do to the bedroom at the moment, but some of it requires a little bit more planning and will be in a future video. But the next few things that I wanted to do were more little, I guess. So I wanted to add a few more things. I did a few more DIYs for this. So I did a new DIY bedside lamp because my old one actually broke, and for a while now I've been trying to figure out what I could do as an upcycle type thing with Brad's old car caliper. So I turned it into a bedside lamp. I incorporated it into a bedside lamp, which also isn't finished because I wanted to spray paint the shade of it black, like matte black, but I don't have any matte black spray paint, so I need to go and get some. But that's further down the list, and I'm not going to worry about that for now anyway. The other DIY I did was the bin. So I had that bin originally at my parents' house. It hadn't come here with us yet at the moment, but I'm kind of really struggling with a place to put materials for the DIYs that I'm filming during that week or in the next couple of weeks. So I upcycled that bin, just make it look a bit more jazzy and give it a pop of colour with some embroidery thread, and made some triangle patterns all on it. I'm sorry if you can't hear me, Bear is making a racket and a half. But yeah, I upcycled that with some embroidery thread, making triangles, and I'm going to use that to put like the materials and things for the upcoming DIYs in as well. I can't actually remember what else I did. Oh, the other thing that I did was quite a big thing. On the cube unit at the end of our bed, originally we had a TV, but I am not joking, we have lived here since September, so October, November, December, January, almost 5 months. Almost 5 months, and we have not once turned that TV on. So I took it down. We're going to sell it because we just used the big one in the living room, and it was taking up quite a lot of space, and that whole top area was just getting cluttered really easily. So I completely sorted all that out and turned it into a sort of decorative getting ready station. So I found this marble like chopping board in TK Maxx and have used that to display some of our like body sprays and perfumes and things like that on it. Then I've just got a decorative tray with a vase, a candle, and I can't remember what the third thing is. My brain is like a sieve. And then my drawers that Brad got me for my birthday last year on the other end as well, and I absolutely love those drawers. Oh, and also a random little box to put little itty bitty bits like wristbands and things like that of Brad's, and his just little knickknacks, I guess, just to keep them contained and looking a little bit neater as well. So the other thing I did was had a bit of a cushion sort out and put a few more on the bed that came from either the living room or the ottoman, because I want to swap out the cushions and do some new ones as well. So that just gave it a little extra pop, I think. And then I also, Bear's biting my thumb. And then I also sorted out all the clutter and things that were in the cube unit and made that look a little bit neater as well. But that was just basically the rough outline of it all, and I'm really happy with how it looks now. I do want to do a sort of gallery wall above the cube unit where the TV used to be in the future, but that is for another day. So if you like these kind of decorating videos, or anything to do with like interior design or the DIYs that I use as home decor and things like that, please make sure to tell me down below. Tell me if you enjoy your, like, I don't know, upcycling and changing up your decor regularly, because I absolutely love it, and Brad never understands, but I love it. And please, please, please subscribe to me as well, and I will see you all next time. Bye guys.